Hello guys, my name is Atul Devkar and our today topic is static, instance and abstract methods in Java. So first we talk about static methods. So what is static? The static keyword is used to construct methods that will exist regardless to the whether or not an instance of the class are generated. Any method is used to static keyword is referenced as a static method. Next is the features of a static method. So a static method in Java is a method that is a part of class rather than an abstract or the rather class. Every instance of class has access to the method. Static methods have the access class variables. Static variable without using a class object. Only static data may be accessible by a static method, and it's enable to access data, and there is not static in both static non-static methods. So can we access directly static method? So yes, we can access a directly static method. Syntax to the declare of statics methods. Access modifier statics while method name bracket, then in curly bracket method body, and then curly bracket code. Next is in instance method. Instance method is defined in a class which is only accessible through the object of the class, and are called instance method. This method can be called by the object of the class. So abstracts method in Java. Abstract method in Java in object oriented programming. Abstraction is defined as an object. Abstract method in Java is object oriented programming. Abstraction is a define as a in object hiding and unnecessary details, means implementation from the user to the focus on the essential details in functionality, and it is increase the efficiency, thus reduce complexity. The Java abstraction can be achieved using the abstract class and using the abstract methods. In now we talk about the abstract method. Abstract method is a high use in Java. So next is the abstract class. Abstract class is a class is declares the abstract using the abstract name keyword, and it can have a zero or more abstract and non abstract method. So we need to extend the abstract class and implementation. Abstract class and implementations. It's a method. It can be initialized. So what is the syntax of the abstract class? So syntax of abstract class is a abstract class name underscore name, and in bracket abstract or non abstract methods, and curly bracket close. So thank you.